Hello, I'm Philip, and today I will be giving you a brief overview of RedApp's M365 retention settings feature. Let's navigate to the main screen, and as you can see, I'm logged in as a partner. And when I navigate to the Customers tab, I can see on the left navigation the All Policies page. By clicking here, I will see Redstors default policy, which is 7 years retention period. And looking closer at the page, I can see on the top 3 product cards giving me reporting information, and as well the table providing a quick look in its policy. Say now, I'm not happy with that policy and I want to have various policies, or I want to add my own. Let's see how we do that. First thing I will do is click on the Add Policy button on the top right corner. This will open a new page where I can add the desired policy name, description, assign the customers I want, have a toggle to automatically assign any new customers to this policy or include my company. As well, below I can see on the retention settings, I can select the different retention settings for each service. In months and years, and as well I have this toggle to offer different settings for active or inactive accounts. Inactive accounts, after the period lapses, will have both their data and the accounts removed. When I'm happy, I click Save Policy, and this creates the policy. Now, as you can see, I have created some policies already on this table. I have Platinum, Gold, Silver, and Bronze, based on the years I'm offering. And I can see that on this icon that this is the policy that automatically assigns any new customers I have, as well that this is where my company is assigned. And that's all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please look below in the description for more information and links to relevant pages like knowledge pages and FAQs. Please do contact me on m365@redstors.com for any feedback or comments. And thank you again. Have a great day.